Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a Scotiabank user, you know how handy the app is for managing your finances, but sometimes finding your card number can be a bit tricky. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to view your card number on the Scotiabank app for 2025. It's quick, secure, and perfect for setting up payments or just double-checking details. Let's jump right in. First, ensure your Scotiabank app is up to date. Head to your phone's App Store, search for Scotiabank, and install any available updates. This keeps everything running smoothly and securely. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your username and password. For extra security, use biometric options like fingerprint or Face ID if available. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Look for the menu icon. It's usually 3 horizontal lines in the top corner. Tap on that to open the navigation menu. From there, select Accounts or Cards. This will show you a list of your linked accounts and cards. Now, pick the specific card you want to view. Tap on it, and you'll see a summary of your card details. To reveal the full card number, look for a button that says View Card Details or something similar. Go ahead and tap it. Depending on your app settings, you might need to verify your identity again. Think entering a PIN, scanning your fingerprint, or using face recognition. This is just an extra layer of protection for your info. Once verified, your card number will appear on the screen. Take a moment to note it down or screenshot it if you need to, but remember to handle sensitive information carefully, never share it publicly. And if you encounter any issues, check the app's help section or reach out to Scotiabank support. There you have it. That's how you easily see your card number on the Scotiabank app in 2025. I hope this saves you time and hassle. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.